Samsung's Galaxy S27 Ultra could be shaping up to be a serious powerhouse for mobile gaming, and the biggest upgrade might be hiding inside the phone's processor. According to new leaks, Samsung's next Ultra flagship could feature Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, a next-generation chip reportedly built on a cutting-edge 2nm process. If these reports are accurate, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could become one of the most powerful Android gaming phones ever released. But this isn't just about having a faster processor. The real story could be the combination of a new CPU, a redesigned Adreno GPU, improved ray tracing, and smarter AI-powered performance optimization. Let's start with the processor. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro is rumored to use a 2nm manufacturing process. Moving to a smaller process can allow chipmakers to fit more transistors into a smaller area while potentially improving power efficiency. For Galaxy S27 Ultra users, that could mean more performance without a massive increase in power consumption. And that extra performance wouldn't only matter for gaming. Everything from switching between apps and editing videos to running demanding applications could potentially feel faster and more responsive. But gaming is where things could get really interesting. Qualcomm is reportedly working on a redesigned Adreno GPU for this generation of Snapdragon. One of the more interesting leaks claims that the new GPU could use a 6-slice design, potentially delivering a significant graphics performance boost over the previous generation. If that happens, we could see higher frame rates, better textures, more advanced lighting, and richer environments in demanding mobile games. And there's another major feature that could make a difference: ray tracing. Ray tracing can create more realistic reflections, shadows, and lighting effects. As smartphone graphics hardware becomes more powerful, we could start seeing mobile games get even closer to the visual quality traditionally associated with consoles and gaming PCs. But raw GPU power is only part of the equation. AI could also play a major role in the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro. Instead of simply running the hardware at maximum performance all the time, AI-powered systems could dynamically adjust how the phone uses its CPU and GPU depending on what's happening in real time. During an intense gaming sequence, the system could prioritize performance. When the workload becomes lighter, it could reduce power consumption. AI could potentially assist with rendering, image quality, and other graphics-related tasks as well. The goal is simple: deliver smoother gameplay while using power more intelligently. But there's one major question Samsung will have to answer. Can the Galaxy S27 Ultra actually maintain all this performance over long gaming sessions? Because a smartphone can have an incredibly powerful processor, but if the device gets too hot, sustained performance can drop. Once temperatures rise too high, the phone may automatically reduce performance to protect the hardware. That makes Samsung's cooling system just as important as the Snapdragon chip itself. And battery life will be another huge factor. Having desktop-level performance in your pocket sounds great, but gamers also want to play for hours without constantly looking for a charger. So Samsung will need to balance performance, thermals, and battery efficiency if it wants the S27 Ultra to truly stand out as a gaming phone. Of course, there's an important disclaimer here. Samsung and Qualcomm have not officially confirmed these Galaxy S27 Ultra specifications, so everything we are discussing right now should be treated as leaks and rumors. More information about Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon platform is expected to emerge as the company moves toward its next Snapdragon Summit, while the Galaxy S27 Ultra is rumored to arrive in early 2027. If these reports turn out to be accurate, Samsung could be preparing much more than a routine yearly performance upgrade. The Galaxy S27 Ultra could combine a 2nm flagship processor, a redesigned GPU, advanced ray tracing, and AI-powered optimization into one device. And if Samsung can get the cooling and battery performance right, this could push smartphone gaming to an entirely new level. So, what do you think? Could the Galaxy S27 Ultra become the ultimate Android gaming phone? Or do you think dedicated gaming phones will still have the advantage? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want more updates on the Galaxy S27 Ultra, upcoming Samsung phones, and the latest smartphone leaks, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update.